Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine. We're about to start our presentation. Um, so, before we start our presentation, maybe uh, let all your friends and group members tell that we're about to start the session. If you don't present, then you could be missing out. So, please make sure that you present. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine. This is the final day of our presentation, our study regarding embedded programming. Please start to join the class and let all your students, group members to start to join the class because we are live now. Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Hi, how are you? Um, can you start to chat in the chat section and also in the YouTube chat or maybe in Telegram, saying the status of your project, what you're working at the moment, how you are progressing. I believe that most of you have completed from seeing what you've been doing in the group. Uh, so let's finalize this. It's mandatory that you present before the end of this section. We're going to finalize everything at 6 p.m. GMT plus 3. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're doing fine. We are on the final verge of our training. We're expecting everyone to start to join and start the presentation. So the way that we're going to proceed is we're going to start with group one and then proceed until group five. Okay. So I'm going to send the link for the StreamYard in the Telegram group, or maybe in the chat section also. So anyone who would be presenting from the specific group, please go ahead and start joining the StreamYard link that I sent in both of our groups. You can start to join us on the StreamYard presenters. Group five, group one, who is the presenter. So the way that I'm going to proceed is I'm going to go for group one from the first one, then two is going to be group five, then group one, group two, group four, and finally group three. So I'm going to go between the last and the first and the last. I keep on alternating by adding one. Group one. Group one. Who's the presenter? Please start to join the StreamYard link that I've sent in the Telegram group. Group one. Okay, I see you. I have put you on screen. And also, I'm going to put a timer. I don't know who's group one. I see Ayano and Haila. Who's going to be the presenter for group one? Can you unmute and speak? Ayano, Haila, who is the presenter for group one? I'm actually going to ask you in the group.
Sorry, sir, I'm in group 2.
You are in group 2. Okay, stay here. Yeah. Don't go away. I'm going to put you down, but don't leave StreamYard.
Okay.
And get ready with your slides and everything, because there is only one group remaining out before your presentation. Okay, I'm putting you down now. Hi, Lab. Which group are
you? I'm from group 2, group 1.
Okay, so you're the presenter for group 1?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put a timer. So you have 5 minutes for presentation and 5 minutes for demo, generally 10 minutes for everything that you have to do. Yeah, so we'll have more 2 minutes or so for discussion and everything. So I'm going to put the timer on. You go ahead and start presenting. So to present, there is a button that says, as you can see from the StreamYard, present. You can click on that, and it's good to share the whole screen. That way it's better when you switch between Tinkercad and your slide.
Okay.
Okay. Put your screen so that I can put you on stage.
Can you see?
Yeah, I see it. Okay, I'm going down. I started your timer. Okay, start.
Okay. Thank you for giving me this chance. My name is Hayram Gita. So now I'm going to present you about our project, and we discussed and choose about a specific project, which is a home security project, and this security project mainly detects emotion and gives alert for peoples. And building this project, we used components like PR sensor, piezo buzzer, LEDs, three LEDs, which are the green, yellow, and red. So the system mainly detects emotion and sends a high signal when the emotion is detected. Uh, so we can sense the signals and give responses. So basically, the project is. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. So basically, this is the project. Uh, so I've installed the simulation, and as you can see here, the LEDs will light up. As you can see, when there is a motion, the system detects and gives signals is within two ways. The first, which is the light system, and the second is the sound, which is caused by the piezo buzzer. So, as you see, there are three LEDs, which are the green, yellow, and the red. So, when there is a motion, first the green lights, the green light lights up, then the yellow one, and thirdly, the red one. So these systems functions are basically the detection checking. So the systems mainly okay, let me show you the code. So this is the code for this project, and so uh, can you see the code?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah. Basically, this is the code for this project, and when we see some of the functions, so as I mentioned, it detects motion and gives alert, so it makes sense. So we can respond by making different actions for every movement. So basically, this is our project. Thank you.
Okay, hi lab. This is amazing thing that you have done. It was a very short period of time and a very intense compacted training. I couldn't imagine if you can learn our full course and what you could be able to do. This is amazing. I am surprised that you actually started to use some of the sensors that we haven't actually taught you in the class. and this is amazing. I really appreciate it, and also your team for coming up with this project after discussing with what idea to come up with, and then selecting the idea and working as a team to actually realize this. This is such a great thing. And I want you to keep on doing this so that you can even achieve better and better results. Um, so I really recommend you to start doing this on a hardware device and make it actually realistic and put this into action. So yeah, you can also benefit from our discounted kit sales, and also maybe you can just buy the book also. Uh, I really appreciate it. Don't stop it here. Keep on working. Great job.
Thanks for the advice.
Okay. Does anyone have a question for Haila Up? Any questions, comments you want to say regarding group one presenter as we wait for the next presenter, which is going to be group five? Please, group five, make sure that you join the Telegram group. I'm sorry, the StreamYard. Group one, join StreamYard. Group 5 as you join StreamYard. If you have questions or remarks or something that you're curious about to ask Haila Up or Group 1, please go ahead and start asking your question in any way that you like. So who is the presenter for Group 5? Is this Frau? Is this Frau? Please write in the chat section or maybe in Telegram group who is Group 2. Group 5. I can see that you guys are not actually saying that I'm in the taxi and stuff from the group. I'm going to ask in your group. So if you don't actually join the StreamYard, then I'm going to pass to group 2. So, okay, Haila, thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm going to put you down from stage. To put you down from stage. Okay, group 2. You're on stage. Maybe if you have opened it in another streaming, YouTube or something else, it's going to echo. So please close that, and also put your presentation screen. Share the whole screen, not a specific one, and then I can put you on stage.
ኦኬ ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ድምጼ ይሰማል?
ያ ይሰማል። እንዴት ነሽ? ደህና ነሽ?
አለን። ሶ ቆይ ሼር ለማድረግ ነው። ቆይ አንዴ።
ኦኬ Okay, I've put you on stage. You can start your presentation.
አሁን ይታያል አይደል?
አዎ ይታያል። መጀመር ትችላለሽ።
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Eleni and I am the presenter of Group 2. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. So our group has worked on a project called a smart parking sensor, and in this presentation I will explain what the project is all about, how we built it, and the results we achieved. So as an introduction, so many drivers, especially beginners, find it difficult to judge distance while parking. So this can lead to small accidents, scratches, and damage. So mirrors alone are not always enough. So a low-cost system that warns the driver about the nearby obstacles can help reduce mistakes and make the parking safer. So as a problem, parking can be hard. So drivers, this is the initiative of the project idea. So we aim to develop a working system. So we build a system that measures distance using an ultrasonic sensor, and the second goal of our system is to assist driver parking. So I hope this system will help drivers easily to detect nearby obstacles, and the third goal is to offer a clear feedback. So this system will provide a clear alerts using visuals and sound signals. So we use LEDs and buzzer on this. And the fourth goal is to apply what we have learned in this training. To apply the skills what we have learned in this training. So we use Arduinos, LEDs, buzzers, sensors, and etc. So the last but not the least, so to design a user-friendly device, so we created a simple, low-cost, easy system for parking. So on this system, we use these components. The first one is Arduino. The resistors, LED, RGB. Actually, we use the LED RGB because to make it efficient, instead of using 3 LEDs, we use one LED with a function of 3 colors, and we use ultrasonic device, a small breadboard, and a piezo. Actually, by quantity, only the resistors are 3. We use a 220 ohm resistors. So these are our components. So to give you overview of how it works, so the ultrasonic sensor, it sends a sound wave and it measures how long they take to return. So the Arduino calculates the distance, then action changes based on the distance. So the LED have 4 conditions to show visual signals. The first one is if it's very close, the red LED will be turned on, and there will be a fast buzzer. And if it's close, there will be a red signal with very fast blinking. It's blinking, and a medium buzzer. The third one is a medium condition. with a medium distance, the LED will turn green light and with a soft buzzer. If it's safe in the far distance, the LED will turn on a blue light with no sound. So wait. So so I think you can see. Can you see this? That can you see the Tinker card?
Yeah, we can see now.
Okay. So sorry for the delay. So
Okay, can you zoom it a bit?
okay.
Good.
How about now?
It's good. It's good.
Okay. So this is how we built the system. As I have shown you in the component section, we use the Arduino's resistors, the LEDs, the ultrasonic sensor, and a breadboard. And this is our buzzer. So to show you how it is working, let me show you how it's working. So I told you there are four conditions. So if the distance is far enough, it will if the distance is far in a safe distance, it will show a blue LED. And so when we get close, so the green LED will turn on with a soft buzzer sound signal. So as we get very close, we will get the LED blinking very fast with medium buzzer. So as we get close and close, there will be red LED with fast buzzer one. So this is how it works. This is how our system look like, and this is how our code organization. So I can share you the code. It's easy to read. There are comments to briefly describe how it works. So this is all about our system. So as a conclusion, so our smart parking sensor project worked well. So it showed you how basic electronics and Arduino code can solve real problems. So the system uses lights and sounds to warn drivers, making parking simpler and safer. So this project also let us use all the skills we learn in this training. So if you have any questions, first of all, thank you for watching and for your time and attention. So we are open to any question and feedback. Uh, and thank you, our instructor.
Likewise, thanks a lot for coming up with this. This is a great idea. It's almost a product that you've done. It's really inspiring to see you transform to this. I really appreciate the effort that has been put by Group 2 and also the mentors that have supported you to transform your idea into something that is quite astonishing. So I'd like to ask, probably, did you have any experience previously before this class regarding Arduinos or embedded systems?
To be honest, I don't have the experience, but I learned a lot from this training, and
Mhm.
I tried to read further and watch tutorials on YouTube, and it
Mhm.
helped me a lot. And by your assist, I think we have gained some skill.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So are you a university student or a high school student?
Actually, I am a senior computer science student and
Mhm.
also a full stack web developer.
Mhm.
I came here just to gain other skills, and yeah, that's that's my reason, just to gain other skill.
Additional skill.
Yeah.
That's interesting. That's interesting. I'm happy that you've learned. I'm happy that you've used your skill into something very valuable. Don't stop here. Keep on doing what you started. Make it a realistic project, and also maybe you can enroll in our other classes that we provide, and keep on developing this so that we have a product that's you have already shown us the demo. And I really appreciate your team effort also.
Okay. Thank you, Mr.
Okay, thank you. So if you have any questions for group 2, anything that you would like to say, comment, applause, please go ahead and start doing it in the chat section or also in the Telegram group. So we'd be doing this until we proceed to group 4. So group 4, anyone who is the presenter, please join the StreamYard. For you to remember the StreamYard, I'm going to send out the link in the chat section. Someone in the chat said hi. I don't know if you have a question, you can go ahead and write down your question. Who is group 4 presenter? Group 4 presenter. Group 4. Group 4. Who is the presenter for group 4? You can use the StreamYard to join the I have sent out a link in the chat section also. Group 4. Group 4. Okay, I don't see anyone from group 4. So I'm going to pass on to group 3. Group 3. Group 3, join the StreamYard. Group 3. Group 3. Who's the presenter for group 3? Maybe I can go ahead and ask. Okay, group 3, I have written also in the chat section on your specific group. The presenter, please join, or we're going to have, yes, please join the StreamYard. Bafker, Fantao, please join the StreamYard. I've sent it in your specific group. Okay, if you guys don't present at the moment, I'm going to pass. The only presenter for these are group 1 and group 2. So I see you guys chat in your group. Please join. Okay. Okay, Bafker, I've put you on stage. So you have 10 minutes, 5 minutes for presentation, 5 minutes for demo. I have started your timer. Press the present button, and then you should be good to go. Hi, Bafker. I think you're group from group 3, right?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, first of all, thank you for giving me this chance. I'm Bafkar Fanta from Borno University, and I'm from Group 3, and today I will be presenting our project.
Excuse me, but Bafkar, I don't see your screen. Can you put it on stage? Press that present button and select the whole screen. That way it's much easier. Okay, Bafkar. Here, is this you from group 4 or group 5? Who is here? Okay. Device got disconnected. Okay, Bafkar, you can proceed.
Can you see it now?
Of course, but then please mute your YouTube so that we don't have an echo.
Okay.
Just close it for now.
Okay, thank you. Our project is titled as Automatic Room Light Control Project, which doesn't use any manual switches. It just switches on and off by itself, and we used some sensors and a bulb, Arduino breadboard, and some connecting wires to build this project. This project is designed to automatically control the room lighting based on the surrounding light level and the presence of persons. It combines light-dependent resistor or LDR to detect brightness and PIR motion sensor to detect motion. The system helps save electricity and offers convenient hand-free lighting. People often forget to turn off light when leaving a room, so it stays on all the night. So it forces them to pay additional unnecessary bills. So our project is aimed to prevent such kind of problems. So it saves unnecessary energy that was to be wasted. Shall I go to the Tinkercad now? I think it's enough here. And here are the components we used to do our project. We use Arduino microcontroller, breadboard, a resistor, PIR, LED. In our case, it's a bulb, which I think it's not very different, and breadboard and some jumper wires. The PIR detectors the LDR detects the amount of or the intensity of the light in the room. So when it's bright or during the day, it is automatically off, and when it's dark during the night, it turns on the light without any manual switch. And in addition, we used PIR sensor in the light in the even if it's dark, if there is no one in the room or if it doesn't detect any motion, it won't turn on the lights. So we added PIR sensor to detect motion. And here is the full diagram, or we did this on Tinkercad. And here's the code. Weaknesses or some challenges that this project may face. False traits like insect and pests. If accidental pests or insects go through the motion detector, it will light up. So this might be unnecessary, but this is a simple issue. We can use another sensors or specify the code or edit the code so we can adjust this simply. It's not a big deal. Conclusion: the automatic room light control system is a simple yet effective automation project. It might be simple, but it is very advanced, and it shows a high quality of products are nowadays have automation. So it may be simple, but it's very relevant and good project. And here is the project on Tinkercad, and let me show you how it works. Now the light is turned on because the PIR is sensing a motion, and you can see at the LDR it's now low. It means it's in the dark. So let's see what can happen if you make it at the light. It means daytime, and the light is not turning on because it's already day, and there's no need to light up the bulb. So but when we
But excuse me, Excuse me, we don't see your Tinkercad. Can you share the whole screen? Maybe you shared only the slide.
Okay. What about now?
Can you minimize the slide or close the slide? Because all I see is the slide.
I don't know how to present the Tinkercad here. I don't know why, but it's now working.
Yes, look, so press present and then the whole screen. Choose the whole
Okay.
screen.
Okay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Iyop Aragai, and I will be representing Group 4 for this simulation.
Hold
And
on. Hold on.
this
Hold on.
project is
Excuse me.
this project simulation is about
So, Bafkar, what's the challenge?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? What's the challenge? Your time is up. Okay, as we wait for Bafkar to fix the challenge that he's having, I would really appreciate for you, Bafkar, to tell me what's challenging you. Can you hear me, Bafkar?
I'm trying
Yeah,
to show
I
people
was.
the whole screen, but can
Okay, I'm
you?
going to kick the studio out, kick this guest, the presentation. Okay, Bafkar, now rejoin back using the StreamYard. Rejoin and you could be able to present it again now. Okay, now press the present button and make sure
I
that you select the whole screen.
uh,
Make sure you select the whole screen, not a specific one, a specific tab.
I pressed share screen. Then it gave me alternatives. It's a
Inside.
window, entire screen. I said
Yes,
entire
same
screen.
price.
Then what?
Then proceed with okay.
It's not allowing me to share.
I don't know why it's not allowing you.
Okay, now I think now it's working.
Good. I put you on stage.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Open. Yes, just open Tinkercad. It's okay.
Okay, I will. Just a minute. Some errors. I've saved it. So. Can you see it now?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, present it fast, and then we'll
Now, as I told you before, this is a project, and I'll start the simulation. And let's make it bright at daytime. And here the sensor is sensing a motion, but the bulb or the LED is not lighting up because we already make it on the daylight or daytime. So let's check it out. If it is dark, can you see now? The light is on. It means it's dark and there is motion. There is someone in the room. So the light is working like this. And if you want, here is the code for our project. So this is our project. Thank you for you all for giving me your attention, and I just want to say sorry for the technical problem that appeared in the middle of my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. Likewise, Bafker and your team, Group 3. Yeah, it happens, technical issues. That's really okay. So I really appreciate your effort and what you've done. Keep on doing the good work. Don't stop your project. We really appreciate to see the actual built part of this device. And if you're willing to buy any of the devices, you can always find us through our channel and some of the contacts. So I am going to, if there is anyone group 4 or group 5, if you would like to present, this should be your last chance. Otherwise, this should be the end for presentation. So I'm going to send you out a final survey. So the final survey is, if you remember, we sent you out a baseline survey at the beginning of the training, which we use it as a standard or starting point before the class, what you actually know about some of the things that we were teaching you. And now we send you at the end so that we can understand how much this training transformed your skill when it comes to embedded systems and embedded programming, how you realize your ideas and everything else. So make sure to fill it very diligently. We'd use also this to improve the training for the next comers and for every time else. So please go ahead and fill it in the form. It's important, very crucial for us and for you. We're going to consider this as an attendance for today. So make sure that you fill it in, as of all the previous days. Everything that we send out is going to be an attendance. And the last thing to remind you is that you're going to have an exam, that includes everything that we've been learning from day one until today, day 5. So please go ahead and get ready. We're going to send you the exam tomorrow at 11 Ethiopian time, or maybe 5 p.m. GMT plus 3, the same time that the class will usually start. So we're going to send out this in the Telegram group. So make sure that you are actually ready for this exam. It's going to be a 30 minutes exam. So we're going to start at 5 p.m. and we're going to end it at 5:30 p.m. So make sure that you're ready and don't miss the exam. Otherwise, you may miss the certificate, and yeah, that could happen. So, okay, someone for group 4, I think, is on. As you guys start to fill in the final survey, group 4 can proceed. Group 4, is this you, Yahudin? If it's you, I put you online, you can start and speak.
Yeah, thank you, Ludet. It's from group 5. I'm Hiauddin. So shall I share my slide and
Yes,
continue?
please share your slide. When you share your slide, make sure that you share the whole screen. Otherwise, when you swap between the presentation and the demo, that it stop presenting, as what happened to group 3.
Okay, I'm on it. Entire screen. I think the share button is not active. I think maybe the network is lagging. I don't know why.
Can you? It's not the. Do you see that plus button?
Yeah, I have pressed that plus button with the screen and press share screen, then Chrome tab window and entire screen options are
Go ahead for
currently
the
visible.
entire window.
So I click the entire window, but the share button is not active. I think.
Actually, the other one. Do you see present
Okay,
on
now
invites?
it's
Okay,
working.
right. It could be the connection.
Okay, can you see the first slide of my PowerPoint?
So I put you online, start presenting. You have 10 minutes, actually less than 10 minutes. You have 5 minutes for your presentation because we don't really have that much of time. Okay, go ahead and present very swiftly, and also demo.
Okay, thank you. Our project is all about it's a smart baby crib embedded Arduino system. So it works. We have used the Arduino Uno board. So in this prototype, we implemented a microcontroller based crisis response mechanism using an Arduino Uno, and we have also used a servo-driven rocking system to generate a lullaby sound to tranquil the crying baby. The firmware is built around real-time analog sensing and non-blocking actuator control using millis-based timing. We can see the code that we have used in our project. I can share the Tinkercad website. So the servo controller algorithm uses incremental angular actuator. Let me simulate here. Can you see my Tinkercad?
Yeah, we can see.
Let me start with the coding first. So our servo motor first positioned in our coding as at the neutral angle. Here the servo pin and here a rest angle. So once the sound which comes from the crying baby get into that potentiometer, so it starts buzzing the LED buzzer setup. Here you can see the code pin pin mode. Where is it? Here the pin mode output and the buzzer pin here. So let's see the simulation. So once it detects the sound event from the crying baby, it acts like above the threshold and the rocking is in the coding false. So the triggers LED will start open. So the servo motor moved to start angle to the low angle. You can see the coding after we submit it. So when it detects the silence and the smooth deceleration from the servo motor returns back to the rest angle, then the LED offs. So the lullaby sound, buzzing sound also returns to the off mode. So I think that's all about our mini project for this embedded Arduino project course. Thank you, Lidet.
Okay, thank you. Likewise, you have done a great job. Keep on doing the good work. Very precise and very understandable project that you have done. I really appreciate your effort and trying to include all the teams together to come up with this. This is a great team. So anyone who have a question for group 5, please go ahead and start asking anything that you like. So for group 4, if there is any presenter, please join the stage. Okay, I can see someone from group 4. If you have questions for group 5, please go ahead and do. I'm adding group 4. So Mr. Group, I don't know who is this from group 4. Can you start explaining yourself and also put your screen on stage? Start presenting so that I can put you on stage.
Okay.
So am I done?
Hello.
Yeah, I think you're done. If there was any question from anyone else, I wanted you to answer, but then you're done. No one is asking. Okay, thank you for group 5. Great job.
Thank you. Okay.
All right. Okay, group 4.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure, I can hear you, but I can't see your screen.
Okay. My name is Eyob Aragai, and I will be presenting a pedestrian traffic control system. Okay, I'm sharing my screen right now. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Not yet.
Okay.
Make sure that you share the entire screen.
Okay. 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 Give me some time. Okay. I'm having some.
The only thing that we don't have is time.
Okay. 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 Sure.
Okay. I put you on stage. You have 5 minutes for a presentation. Go ahead.
Okay. So our project is about pedestrian traffic control system. So what it does is okay. So what it does is it controls the traffic of pedestrians when they are crossing the street. It is not like the conventional traffic control for vehicles. Okay, I am having some technical issues here.
It's asking you to upgrade. So can
No.
you post that button? Okay, I think it's
Can I show you the demo?
no. Just you can keep on. You cannot change the slides.
Yes, it's not allowing me. Okay.
Yeah, maybe in that case you can proceed to the demo. You can explain the idea while demoing.
Okay. Okay. Can you see the Tinkercad screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will be explaining it here. So we have used the following components, which I am going to mention next. So we have used a Arduino Uno board and one servo motor and two mini breadboards and three LEDs and four 220 ohm resistors, and we have used also a potentiometer for adjusting the contrast of the LCD. So our project is basically controlling the traffic of pedestrians when they cross the street. So what green means is when green is lit up, it means for the pedestrians to pass the street. So by default, the servo is at 0 degrees, so it means that it is open. Then after green is lit and it's ends its duration, then yellow is being lit up. So as you can see, when yellow is lit, the servo slowly turns from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. So what that means is that it is telling the pedestrians that the gate is being closed and they have to be ready. Either they have to cross the street fast, or they have to wait until green is lit up again, and red means that the gate is closed and the pedestrians has to wait and let the vehicles pass. And as you can see on the LCD, when red is lit up, it tells passengers to stop and the gate is closed. And when the green LED is lit, it tells the pedestrians to go, and the gate is also open. And during yellow's duration, it tells pedestrians they have to be ready since the gate is being closed. And do you, if you have any questions, you can ask. I think this is our project. Thank you.
Okay, that's an amazing project. I really I'm surprised that you've used also the alphanumeric display. So did you learn it by your own? How did you come up with this?
Are you talking about the ግዕዝ alphabet that I put የእግረኞች ትራፊክ ተቆጣጣሪ?
Mhm. Also the display, about the display.
Okay. Yes, I
Did you
think
have any previous experience with Arduino, or you started learning after the class? Connecting
no,
the
I have yes, I have some familiarity with Arduino even before this class.
Mhm. So how did this class actually supported you?
I mean, it helped me to refresh my knowledge in Arduino and to review it. I forgot some parts, so it helped me refresh my knowledge about Arduino and the basics of embedded system.
Great.
Okay.
I think you have one question. What is
Okay.
I have put it on the screen. It says, what is the system fail state LED and signal set if the Arduino loses power or resets? And how is it programmed to revert to that safest state automatically? Examples due to brief power fluctuation.
I mean, if the Arduino is off, I mean, the system will not be working. So the Arduino will have a constant power source. But I didn't understand the other questions. Can you please elaborate?
Yeah, but anyone who asked the question, please elaborate more about your question. So usually when these kinds of systems are done, there is automatic power like batteries that turns on when there is no power. And you have another question. What is the main purpose of the LCD?
Okay, so the LCD, I mean, the LCD and the traffic lights have the same purpose, but the additional use of the LCDs, it tells how much time will each colors will be lit up. So, I mean, it is the time, but it has the same purpose as the LEDs. So I think I have answered the question.
Yeah, you did. Actually, it's an additional way of showing it. It would have been great if the screen is on the top of the LED, like we see it in the actual traffic. But then, since he couldn't find one, he used LCD. So, Nahom, you said you wanted to join. I put you on screen, so go ahead and say what you like. As Nahom, as you're trying to speak, anyone who would like to join and say a few words regarding the training, if you have comments regarding the training on anything like the time, the way that training was proceeding, please go ahead and join the StreamYard, and I can give you few seconds or minutes for you to speak your word. Nahom, I have put you on stage for anything that you would like to present. Please go ahead and start. Because you said, can I join? And I have put you on stage. Hello, Nahom. Okay. We don't see Nahom speaking. So anyone who would like to join, please join. As I am speaking, I have sent a final survey. Now let's have, 7 minutes for every one of you to fill in the final survey. Group 4, thank you a lot for what you've done. I really appreciate the effort. Keep on doing it. Okay, I'm going to remove you from the group. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so it's been such a great journey where everyone have learned, whether it's complete beginner turning from zero, or anyone with basic background. Everyone has some knowledge that they take back to home to keep on doing what they're doing. So as we finalize this training, there are some important things that you should be very aware. First one is make sure that you're ready for tomorrow's exam. We're going to send it out in 5 p.m. GMT +3. So please make sure that you actually are ready for tomorrow's exam. And then we'll send out the certificate after the exam shortly. So in a week or two, you should 2 weeks. In 2 weeks' time, all of you should receive your certificates. The other thing is, some of you were asking me a lot about buying the Arduino. So yeah, maybe if I haven't responded personally for your question, so anyone who'd like to buy the Arduino, we sell the package plus the book, everything together. So when you want to buy it, that's how we provide it. It's much cheaper that way for you also to buy all the package together than specific sensors and everything. So including the book would be showing you from beginner level into advanced projects. Like there are probably 8 or 9 projects that we haven't done, and that is included in the book so that you can learn by yourself to actually master everything regarding Arduinos. So yeah, we had a free delivery week for this week. So until Sunday, if you put your order, then you should find your free delivery. Okay, that said, so regarding the final survey, please make sure that you fill in the final survey. Otherwise, you might not be eligible for, we'd consider you missed today's class. That's how we can say it actually. So please make sure that you actually fill in the final survey, and we'll be using that to always update our training for better results and better impact. So if you have any comments, you can always text us in the chat. Also, if you would like to say some words about the training, you can always write it down in the training in the chat section. So I'm getting a couple of questions. How much for Uno kit altogether and for the book? So the Uno kit plus the book usually costs us 10,500 birr, and plus an additional cost of delivery wherever your house location is. But for these, there is zero delivery payment until Sunday, and also zero payment for 500 birr discount. So you're paying 10,000 birr and you're getting everything else, the Arduino kit, which I can send you all the things that are included in it, plus a book. Okay, so you can always benefit from this book also. Yeah, so I believe this question is answered. I would like to listen what you thought about this training. Please go ahead and write it down in the chat section about this. So regarding certificates, a lot of you are going to start to ask us after this training several times the same question. Please stop doing this. You're going to get the certificates 2 weeks from now. So you should expect your certificates around the 7th of it should be around January. So early January, like January 3, 4, you should be receiving your certificates until then. Please don't keep on writing in the group, when are we getting our certificates, several times. Here you go, I have communicated this. So you're going to receive your certificates January 3 to 4. So you'd be receiving your certificates through email. So check your email, make sure it's active. And sometimes if it goes to the spam folder, then you should always check that. Yeah, and you have an exam tomorrow at 5 p.m. So make sure that you do your exam. Nahum, I see you join now. If you have any word that you want to speak, go ahead and start speaking. Nahum?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We can hear you now.
Have my group presented already, or?
Which group are you?
I'm in group 5.
Yeah, group 5 have presented. Maybe you've missed that.
Yeah, my connection was not stable, that's why.
Right. Yeah, they have presented. Maybe once you're actually on stage, I could ask you a couple of questions. So, how did you actually knew about this training?
I heard it from a friend.
From a friend, okay. Are you a university student, a high school student, or maybe a professional working?
I'm a I'm a university student, sorry.
Okay,
5th year.
where are you learning? In which department?
Makala Institute of Technology, and I'm in Electronics and Communications Engineering.
Okay, that's interesting. Did you have any previous experience regarding Arduinos?
Yeah, I had a bit of experience with Arduinos, yeah.
Did this training supported you, or if it actually supported you, how?
I guess it helped me remember the basics, and also clarified some topics. You know, it doesn't hurt to remember.
Good. Thank you, Nahum. I really appreciate it. So I'm putting you off stage now. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so keep on filling in the final survey. Even if the time is done, I'm hearing a lot of, I don't have power, I don't have connection, so we're going to keep it on for a while. So make sure that you fill in the final survey, because we're going to use this to improve our trainings, and also to actually be able to use this as an attendance for anyone who've joined today. So keep on feeling it for maybe 10 more minutes, because I have a lot of connection challenge messages. So I'm going to put a timer for 10 minutes, and then we should be done. Okay, guys, have a good night. Make sure that to revise some of the concepts that we've been studying. Okay, beyond that, good night. Have a good day. Have a good night.